If you love eating but don't like waiting, then this quick and tasty dinner is just for you. Let's get cooking. First, grab your microwavable ribs. Follow these steps. Take the tray of ribs out of the box. Vent the packaging and microwave on for 7 minutes. Then carefully peel back the wrapping and turn over each piece. Return to the microwave for 5 minutes or till heated all the way through. Let it stand for 1 to 2 minutes before serving. While that's cooling, let's make some mashed potatoes. Use the mashed potato cup and add water up to the line. Stir the contents of the cup to mix the potatoes and water. Microwave on high for 1 to 2 minutes. Stir again and let it stand for 1 minute before serving. Now, for the sweet corn. Take a microwavable cup of corn and peel back the film a little. Microwave on high for 30 seconds. Let it stand for 1 minute before serving. And voila! You've made a tasty dinner all by yourself. Ribs, mashed potatoes, and corn. Remember, always have an adult around to help. Happy eating, little chefs!